A good way to learn Samoan subject phrase structure is by going around your house, naming things, and then saying them as a Samoan phrase. O leo futino, o se tipolo, o tipolo, o nimaka kiwaka, ipu, sipuni, penitala, o le ipu, o le sipuni, o le penitala. It is the cup, it is the spoon, it is the pencil. The O is a tense marker for nouns or the subject that we're talking about. It's like saying it is for a singular subject or they are for a plural subject. In translation, we don't usually say it. We just say the cup. But if you want to know what the O is, it's a present tense marker for nouns or subjects. This word in the middle is what makes the subject specific or non-specific. For example, ole ipu, the cup, the specific cup, or ose ipu, a cup. I don't know whose cup it is. I don't know where it came from, but it is a cup, non-specific. To make it plural and non-specific, we can say ni or ni ipu. You might also hear people say G style, ni o ni ipu. Some cups. To identify a specific set of cups, we would say o ipu, the cups, the specific set of cups. Making Samoan subjects plural or singular depends on the word in front of the subject. We wouldn't put an S on the end like we do in English to say ipus. That's the English thing, and you'll probably hear people do that, but that's not a real thing in Samoan. The plurality of a word is controlled by the limiter that's in front of the subject or the noun. When you're learning your Samoan definitions, put them in subject phrase format and give the subject different limiters. Here's some other limiters that you can learn. Le, se, ni. No limiter, remember it's plural and specific. Lau, lau, lana, lene, lena, and there's many more. Go to pacificapages.net or join us in the Samoan language Zoom class, pacificapages.net.